Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix the issue called your Snapchat notification are not showing. So how can you solve that issue if you cannot receive notification on your Snapchat for your iPhone, inside your iPhone? So for this, you just need to check first that your phone is unsilent, like that. The phone need to be unsilent on the ring mode, then you can only receive your notifications. After that, go on the setting option on your iPhone here, and you will find sound and haptics option in your setting on the second option here. Click on that, and you can see there is a lot of setting. You can change your volume or change anything, any applications ringtone here. After that, go on the notifications. In notification option, you will scroll to the down and you can see there is a lot of applications here. So just click on to your Snapchat and you can see my notification is already allowed, and if you're disabled it, you just have to enable it from here like this, and you will get all the notifications regarding your Snapchat. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any confusion, any query, or any type of confusion regarding any topic, any application, or any technological topic, so just tap it into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if you liked.